Welcome to today's session, where we will explore the exciting topic of unlocking the power of personal branding. I'm your host, and I'm thrilled to have you with us. Personal branding is a transformative concept that can open doors to opportunities and personal growth. Let's dive right in. So, what exactly is personal branding? It's about creating a unique identity for yourself that sets you apart in the digital landscape. It's the image, perception, and reputation you build, both online and offline. Imagine your personal brand as your digital footprint, the story you tell the world about who you are, what you stand for, and what you bring to the table. Why does personal branding matter? Well, it matters because in a world inundated with information, your personal brand helps you stand out. It's your way of telling your story, shaping how others perceive you, and creating trust. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a professional, or someone in ministry, a strong personal brand can lead to career opportunities, business success, and meaningful connections. Now let's talk about how to build your personal brand. It starts with self-discovery. Ask yourself, what makes me unique? What are my strengths, values, and passions? Your personal brand should authentically reflect who you are. Once you've defined your brand, it's time to showcase it to the world. In the digital age, your online presence is crucial. Start by curating your social media profiles. Share content that aligns with your brand, whether it's your expertise, creativity, or your commitment to a cause. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, join discussions, and build a community around your brand. So how can you leverage your personal brand? The possibilities are endless. It can open doors to speaking engagements, collaborations, or even a thriving business. Your personal brand is an asset that keeps growing over time. Remember, consistency is key. Keep refining and evolving your brand as you grow personally and professionally. To inspire you, let's look at some personal branding success stories. Think about Oprah Winfrey, Elon Musk, or Michelle Obama. They've built powerful personal brands that go beyond their careers.